Alright guys, today we're playing Animal Guys, I think that's what it's called. Race in Progress. Wait! Don't mess this up. I messed it up. Yo.
Get out! Come over here!
Frozen hands. No! No!
Get up.
30 seconds? I can't do that.
Only
Yo, how?
Teleported back
to that finish line before they do.
Actually,
This is impossible.
shrink this game.
Cage locked. Freeze them and force them to break out. This track's full of traps, swings, and surprises. Stay sharp.
No.
Yo, 2 holes in 1? Okay, got it.
Only the fastest survive. Get to that finish line before they do. Watch your
Yes, I
step.
got it.
These
No, I was
obstacles
this
don't forgive mistakes.
So you're second.
Oh, I was so close.
Track's full of traps, swings, and surprises. Stay sharp.
Whatever your number is, go above it. Like one time.
Oh, I will. I know my number.
It says that you're second.
Stretch those arms
It says that you're
soon.
the number one guy left. I was second.
Don't let them
Anyways, that's the end of this video. Hope you liked it.
I'm on the highway.
Bye.